Hi, boys and girls. Today is Thursday. We are going to review the types of lines we've been studying this week. Parallel, perpendicular, and intersecting lines. If you go to your Google Classroom, you will see your types of line flipbook, and works just like a Google slide. So if you look at your first one, it has the lines AB. So we want to see the relationship between line AB and DC. Well, if I look at them, I just have to imagine that they continue in both directions. And if they continue just the way they were up there, we can tell that they're the same distance apart. So that would make them parallel lines. Now, if you do not have a tool on your iPad or your laptop or whatever you're working on, you can use your finger to trace it, or you can print out these sheets so that you can actually write on them. The next lines we want to look at the relationship is the lines BE. So if I take BE, try to do it as carefully as I can, and BC. This one's a little trickier because it looks like it can form a perpendicular angle. But if you look real close, and there's a trick, if you have a piece of paper and you take the corner, and if both lines line up, then it's a 90-degree angle. But when I did this, they did not line up, so they are just intersecting. We're going to look at line EC. So our line EC up here and DB, and they do meet, and it looks like when they meet, it forms a right angle. So we are going to classify that as perpendicular. And if you double click, your text box will come up for you to type into. Our last one we're going to do together is AF. So if I look at AF and DB, well, this I'm going to have to extend the line. If this kept going and our D kept going, they would eventually meet. So then we have two options. Are they going to meet and form a right angle, or are they just going to meet and intersect? And it looks like they are just going to be intersecting lines. You can now pause the video. When you finish the rest of the slides, you can come back to the video to check your answers. I may go a little fast, so just stop on each page for you to check your answer and then start the video. Answer key for Model 2. Answer key for Model 3. Answer key for Model 4. Answer key for Model 5. Answer key for Model 6.